Our little killer. His first big kill. Eating the head off of the mouse. Yeah. Ferocious. Oh, Bones.
Bobby, take it away from him. It's disgusting.
I can like hear the bones crushing.
Yes, I can as well. Cat! No! Bobby, take it away! Are you videoing it? Ah! There's no head!
What happened to the head?
Eat it all? Ew, he ate it!
Can you get sick from eating brains, cat?
I think so. He gets Mad Mouse.
Oh, look at the fresh meat on that kill.
Ah. Oh, that's just gross.
Killer. The meat. I bet if I try and take it away, he'll hiss at me.
No growling.
It's all warm.
He's bad at you.
Oh, he's out here.
Cat, go take it away from him. He's gonna get diseases.
Oh, he's just taking it down. No! Quite the killer, cat. You are staying outside tonight. I did not want to see that get thrown up. Oh, just takes it down. Takes it down. He's out of here. Oh, you're too fast.